Hey everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Officer Adda 24/7, the special session of your BRBL subject. But in this session, I'm going to tell you, because right now we have a 4-month exact left for your CAIIB exam. My subject, that is BRBL. So is that possible to prepare my subject in 4 months? Okay, so this session is basically for BRBL paper. Okay, so class, as we can see here, today is the 7th of February, right? Today is 7th of February, right? So right now, if we can see, we have a February month, we have a March month, we have April month, we have May month. And from 31st of May, your exam is going to be the 31st, and then 7th, then 13th, 14th, and then 21. So this is your exam date for CAIIB. Okay, so you have your BRBL paper is on 14th of June. So if you see, you have exact 1 month for BRBL. 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Exact 4 month you have. So is that possible to crack this paper with 80 plus marks? My answer will be yes. Because class C, this paper, if you can see the first paper, second paper, third paper, fourth paper, fifth paper. So first, second, third. Suppose if you got 48 marks, 46 marks, then 49 marks. Suppose, I'm just thinking, suppose if you get these marks in your exam, okay, and so many of you will think that now we will not clear the CAIIB paper. But class, this fourth compulsory paper, you can easily score 70 plus marks and you can crack this paper with a very good marks. And this is the paper, because this is only the theoretical paper. Rest of all is your theoretical plus numerical. So if you focus on this paper now, you can easily get 70 plus marks. So how to get this 70 plus marks in this session, I'm going to tell you. Is that okay? So first of all, what you have to do, C class. Daily study structure for the working bankers. We know that you have, I think 9 to 10 hours. I'm just estimating 9 to 10 hours you have to work in the bank. Right now, some take 12 to 13 hours because they have to just go very long, from distance. So that's why just take so much time. But for your exam, because only 4 months is left. So for your exam class, what you have to do, daily 1 hour and 30 minutes per day, you have to focus on your study. This thing you have to do anyhow if you want to crack this paper with a very good marks. Okay, so what activity you have to do? Reading concept at least 45 minutes per day. MCQ practice daily 30 minutes per day, and revision 15 minutes per day. This is the way to crack this paper in 4 months and prepare your BRBL in 4 months. Because these 3 things basically students ignore. They just enroll in the paid class, they just attend the live class. It's okay. Attending live class and doing this thing, there's a lots of difference. Some student only just come in the class, talk to the teacher, they just ask the doubt to the teacher, that's it. But this is not the way of learning for your CAIIB exam. For CAIIB exam, daily question practice and revision is must required. So that's why for the working bankers, this should be your schedule for at least 4 months if you really want to crack this paper with a very good marks. And this paper and your elective paper is totally a theoretical paper, so you can easily score a very good marks in these 2 papers. But you have to do the hard work in this paper also. So this is your daily study structure. Is that okay? Done. Next thing is high yield topic. Don't skip. See class, there's a difference between smart work. There's a difference between smart work and the hard work. Okay, there's a difference between smart work and the hard work. Smart work means the student will focus on the high yield topic, the topic in which consistently the questions are coming. So the banker will focus in these topics. These alone can fetch the 50 to 55 marks. This is the reality that mostly students don't know this reality. Mostly students don't know this reality. High yield topics, so don't skip. Is that okay? If I just focus on this one, because we know that you have in BRBL, we have a 4 module. A contain 2 acts, B contain total 4 acts, C contain total 10 acts, and D contain total 9 acts. So total 25 acts you have in your preparation. Is that okay? So out of 25 acts in the class, please focus on these 5 to 6 acts. So this is basically Banking Regulation Act, Negotiable Instrument Act, Contract Act, SURFACI Act, Company Act, Limitation Periods question. That's it. Because mostly questions come from, if I just ask you, ma'am, in these 6 parts, ma'am, which is very much important? So SURFACI Act, Contract Act, Company Law, these and Negotiable Instrument, these 4 acts is important. So guys, do not skip these topics. Just focus on each and every concept of this topic. This is very much important. Is that okay? Then class, exam day strategy, attempt the easy and direct question first. What will happen if you do the easy and direct question? The confidence level will boost up if you just attempt the easy and direct question first. Is that okay? So this is important. Otherwise, if you think that, no ma'am, I will do first of all the case studies question, then paragraph case question, and suppose if you are not able to solve these questions, that will really hamper you. So that's why attempt easy and direct question first. Avoid the blind guessing. This is very much important. Avoid. Read the case studies questions carefully. Accuracy is more important than attempt. Suppose if you do 60 questions correct, accurate, because accuracy is important. If I attempt 100 questions, that's not important. Accuracy is important. So just focus on what? Accuracy. That is important. Is that okay? Done class? And then casual, the preparation level, just think yourself. Casual study, you can score this much marks. 4-month planning, 70 to 75 plus. And strategy plus mock paper, you can get 80 plus marks. That is 100% reality. So this is from my side class. So this is my Telegram. If you want to ask any more question regarding this, you can please scan this barcode. You can come in my Telegram channel. You can ask your doubt 24/7. Okay? And class, we have a proper Officer Pro batch that is already started from 23rd of January. So if you want to score, apply the coupon code Y391 for maximum discount. This is for CAIIB June 2026. Is it okay? Right now, in this batch, I'm going to start my session from 9th of March. Okay, I'm going to start my session in 9th March, so that's why this is important. Done class? Then we have Utkarsh, in English medium we have Elevation batch, we have Increment Pro batch. In these batch, I have just started my session from 1st of December and my session is going to be end in 20th of February. So if you want to enroll in the previous foundation batch, you can please enroll in this batch also. Okay, then we have a test series. You can enroll in the test series also separately, combinedly. You can enroll in the ebooks. You can take the books also and CAIIB ka Mahapack also, in which the high validity is going on. So class, if you want to crack this paper, so click on Adda 24/7 official website, click on this one. It's a CAIIB. You can see here, this is your triple validity. Okay, so right now in CAIIB Mahapack, triple validity is going on. Click on buy now. Enter the coupon code, that is Y391. Click on apply. You can see the discount is 81% discount in CAIIB Mahapack 2.2. And if you want 1% more discount, So download the Adda app in mobile. Through mobile, if you purchase, you can get 82% of discount. Thank you so much.